Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's create some delicacies this Eid. Are you ready? Black forest pudding cake and choco truffle mousse. So let's get started. Now all you need is powdered sugar, cornstarch, cocoa powder, dark chocolate and milk. Let's see what discussion are they having. Okay, first we add 4 cups of milk in a deep container. Then add 1 cup of powdered sugar. By the way, it's just to make you more fat. Then you add about half. Okay, so here is a life tip. Just like the sieve does, filter out all the negatives, be it anger, grudge or ego. Just filter them out. And you will notice that your life will be lit AF. Now just follow the procedure. So now it's time to rescue some dark chocolate from your freezer and follow the steps as shown in the video. Okay, so the first part is successfully done. Now we are going to prepare the vanilla version of it. All you got to do is repeat the same process but swap cocoa powder with vanilla. By the way, did you guys know that 9 out of 10 people love chocolate and the 10th person always lies? Okay, so first let the contents come to room temperature before you create your art. Just pour alternate layers of the contents in the container. Now, take a toothpick and bring it from the outer edge to the inner edge and wipe it before you go to the next one. Now just follow the steps and enjoy your pudding. Yay! Now we are just going to swap one ingredient to get choco truffle mousse. Are you excited? All you have to do is just swap corn flour for cornstarch. Yes guys, and the quantity remains the same. Just swap corn flour for cornstarch. Just follow these steps and enjoy your mousse. Also, please let me know how it turned out for you guys. Guys, this channel is not just limited to mere recipes. With each video, we bring entertainment for you. Your subscription is our encouragement. Please do subscribe to this channel if you want us to grow. Thank you.